Concept of crime, topic, meaning, definitions, and characteristics of crime. Meaning, crime is an act or omission that violates a law or statute and is punishable by the state or other authority. It involves harm or threat of harm to individuals, society, or the state, and is often motivated by personal gain, revenge, or other factors. Definitions of crime. There is no one specific definition of crime because it varies across cultures, laws, and contexts. Crime is a complex and changing concept that depends on societal values, norms, and regulations. Different theories and perspectives also offer unique explanations. As a result, definitions of crime are diverse and context-dependent, making a single, universal definition impossible. Instead, we have various characterizations that highlight different aspects of crime, such as harm, violation of law, and punishment. Legal definition. Crime is an act or omission that violates a law or statute and is punishable by the state or other authority, resulting in harm or injury to a person, property, or society. Source: Black's Law Dictionary. Sociological definition. Crime is a behavior that is considered so harmful or threatening to society that it is prohibited by law and punishable by the state, reflecting societal values, norms, and power dynamics. Source: Sociological theories of crime, psychology. Crime is a behavior that results from a complex interplay of biological, psychological, and social factors, leading to a violation of societal norms and laws, and causing harm or injury to individuals, communities, or society as a whole. Characteristics of crime. The characteristics of crime are key elements that define an act as a crime in legal and sociological terms. These characteristics include legality. A crime must be defined by law. The act or omission must violate a law that exists at the time of the conduct, as there is no crime without a legal statute. Actus reus, guilty act, the actual action or conduct that is prohibited by law. It refers to the physical component of the crime, which can be an act, omission, or a state of being. Mens rea, guilty mind, the intention or knowledge of wrongdoing. Mens rea refers to the mental state of the individual committing the crime, showing that the act was committed with a guilty mind or intent. Harm. For most acts to be considered crimes, there must be some form of harm to an individual or society. This harm can be physical, psychological, financial, or social. Causation. There must be a direct connection between the act and the harm caused. The criminal action must be shown to have caused the harm or damage. Concurrence. The actus reus and mens rea must occur together. The intention to commit a crime and the act itself must coincide for the act to be considered a crime. Punishment. Crimes are acts that are punishable by law. This punishment could be a fine, imprisonment, community service, or other legal sanctions. Socially condemned. Crimes are usually acts that society deems morally wrong or unacceptable, which is why they are prohibited and regulated through law.